we are going to talk about PL-900, the third learning path called Demonstrate the Capabilities of Microsoft Power Pages. Inside this learning path, we do have two modules. The first one is Explore Power Pages. The second one is Create a Power Pages site. Inside this module, you will learn how to explore the Power Page and learn how to describe the business value and features of Power Pages. And also, we are going to build a basic Power Page site. So first, Power Pages overview. So what can Power Page do for you? Actually, Power Page is one of Power Platform's products. Okay, so I already show you there are many products of Power Platform, and Power Page is one of them. Actually, originally Power Page is inside Power Apps. However, Power Page is for external facing people. So later on, Microsoft tried to separate, to split these products, become independent products. Okay, so let's see what Power Page can do for you. The first is a build. Let me use the pen. Okay, first is the Power Page. You can build secure external website. This is very important because for other products of Power Platform, actually they are using inside the organizations. So if you want to show your data to outside, to public, and there are some security issues. Okay, so there are some authentication or role-based mechanism in the Power Page. So you may simply collect or display data from database. Okay, as I said before, database is a cloud-based database, and actually you may store your organization's data inside the database very securely. But however, you want to show those data to public, then they may cause some security issue. So this is the way you can collect and display data from database by using a Power Page. Inside Power Page, you may combine the Power Automate to make some automatic workflow. Okay, so for those flows made by Power Automate, you can simply use them for approval or notification purpose. The other one is enable self-service scenario. So at this time, your customer or partner outside your organization, they may use the web page to submit some requests or track some useful information easily. The other thing is you may integrate with Microsoft 365 and Azure is very easy. So same as other products of Power Platforms. Actually, they are fully integrated with Microsoft 365 and Azure services. As I say, because there are some issues if you want to open your data to outside, then you may manage some security issue. So in the Power Page, actually you may have some way to manage the permission and the security. So you may set the permission to allow external facing people to use your data. The last one is embedded AI and the chatbot. So actually you may simply use Copilot in this product also, and you may easily use Copilot to build your website, and you may also add a Copilot agent to answer questions and guides for your users. So let's explore some use cases. Okay, so the first one will be customer portal. At this situation, actually, you may provide retail or e-commerce portals by using Power Pages. So people, your customer, may access some territorial recommendations by themselves. The other possible is you may make some health cares for your customer. So your customer may book appointment or review some medical records easily, because for those confidential or privacy data, it can be secured by Power Page. The other use case could be partner collaboration. So you may use a website made by Power Pages to collaborate with your partner or customers, and actually share some useful information. For example, the technology documentation, or some good information. For example, say real estate, you may share some property for your partner or your customer. The last use case could be employee self-service. So employee may simply use a website made by Power Page and to do some self education or trainings. Okay, so they may also do some hospitality things. So actually, Power Page just provides some very simple way to authoring the website. So the tool provided by Power Pages is very easy for use. So you may use Copilot, or you may leverage some templates to create your website. So either one, you may say using layouts. Okay, you may use scheduling. You may have some application submission. You may do some registration. Okay, for those functionalities, actually they are all ready for you to use. Certainly you may integrate with other Dynamics 365 features, or even you may do FAQ. So you may look at the screen. Let me go to the let's see the let me open the Power Pages. Okay, so simply choose the button on the button of the navigation pane, and click the Power Page icon. So this is the portal of Power Page. Okay, and you may click Get Started to start your Power Page. So actually you may start from by using the Copilot, and try to describe some information about your site, and just like the chatbot. Okay, just put some prompt over here, then you may do whatever you want to do. You may also start with a template, so start from here. Then you may choose some useful layout to for you. For example, you have starter layout, you have a scheduling layout, you have application submission layout, you have registration layout. Okay, so even you may have a Dynamic 365 or FAQ layout ready for you to use. Okay. So there are some security principles of Power Pages. Actually, there are multiple identity providers. Okay, so you may select providers in your organization to use some very we say flexible login experience. Okay, so for example, you may set your site for different people. So some may need to log in, some may provide by some anonymous users. The second one is the role-based security. So user may be assigned different roles. So for different roles, they may access different data. So actually, you may differentiate your users and provide just different data for them. The other one is table permissions. Okay, you may set the access label of your data. So some of them may read the data, some of them may write the data. So the permission could be different. The other one is page permission. So you just provide different page permissions. So for different page, then they may have different permissions to use. The last one is site visibility. So for the site visibility, actually you may control who can access your site. So for example, your site could be private and could be public, and so if you set your site private, then only the users you choose can access this site. Some administrative experience. So inside the admin center, Power Platform admin center, you may manage your Power Pages. So for example, you may perform some SSL cert. Okay, so then to improve your security. And you may also use Power Page Management apps. So let me go to the system. For first one, actually, it is the Power Platform Admin Center. So under the managers, under the managers functions, actually you may find out there is a Power Page. You may manage Power Pages here. So here show you, say you have two sites. One is public, other private, and they are all on the production environment. So this is my production environment called SHU. Okay. And the other one is you may choose the apps inside the Power Apps, then click the all or share with me. Then you may find out the Power Page Management here. So this is a app to manage your Power Page provided by Power Apps. Sorry. Okay. So this is a model-driven app. You may simply play. You may look at this app. So on this app, actually, you can manage some useful information about the website you have made for your system. So ask me to sign again. Okay, and you see nothing here, right? So probably inactive website. I'm not sure. Okay, nothing here. Okay, anyway. Probably let me see. Probably you need to show something else. Actually, nothing here. Okay. Probably we are, in the environment. Okay, let me close this one. Because we are in Dep 1 environment, so we saw nothing inside the Power Page Management. Let me switch to the other environment called SHU. So inside this environment, as just I already showed you, there are some there are 2 pages, right? So let me check the Power Page Management. Okay. Oh, sorry, I should play. Anyway, let's go back and select the Power Page Management and play this app. Okay. So, still see nothing here, huh? How come? Ask me to sign again. No website anymore. Are they inactive? No. Anyway, yeah, let me figure out later. So this is the Power Page environment. You may see the website, although we cannot see. We see nothing. Okay, probably something wrong. Next module, we are going to build a Power Page site. So let's see how to make a Power Page website. How to use a Power Page to make a website. The first, the one way is using Copilot. Okay, so Copilot is easy. You just put your prompt here, then Power Page may simply create a website for you by your description. So for the Copilot, actually you need to describe what kind of website you want to make, and you may also pick some layouts if you want, and later on you may add more pages, the web pages in your website. So actually you just specify. The other way is using Power Page Design site. So inside the Power Page Designer, actually you may find out, say there are some, actually we call the workspace design workspace. So there are page workspace, styling workspace, data workspace, and setup workspace, and the security workspace. Okay, so for example, for the page workspace, actually you may have some functionality to make the web pages. You may use Copilot to assist you in the designs workspace. So the most useful thing is to create more pages or modify the existing pages. Okay, and you may also use Copilot to edit your page content and change, your style or your theme, and add more components, and configure some securities and permissions, and ask Copilot to generate a form for you, and set up some site navigation. So Copilot can do a lot of things, okay, as long as you give the right prompt. And for the page workspace, and you may also edit, create a page, and arrange your web pages. So here you may click this button to add a new page, and you may configure your page contents simply by define sections. Inside the section, you do have you may add components. Okay, then for each component, you may format your items, etc. So let me show you where to get to set the components. Okay, let's go back to the Power Pages, and at this time you may say create a website simply by choosing one layout. Okay, at this time you may choose desktop layout or mobile layout. If you by default you choose the desktop layout, then choose this template. Okay, then here we made a website for you. So you may specify the site name. The default it's called site 1. Okay, and for the URL, actually automatically assign address for you. So the URL could be site-mh727.powerappsportals.com. Okay, so if you don't use the default one, then click down this button, then the Power Page will automatically make the websites for you. So it takes time to some time to initiate your website, and actually will follow the template you choose. So make many web pages first. However, you may add or modify those pages later on. So you don't need to worry if you choose wrong template, or the template you don't want to use. Then you may modify your pages later on. So here already generate. Now it's generating. Okay, almost done. Yes, good. So this is Power Page Designer. So when you create a website, then get into the Power Page Designer, you may find out some workspace, right? So you do have pages, styling, data, setup, security, workspace over here. Oh, something wrong with this anyway. You do have others, floor and Power Page Management, but anyway, by default there are 5 icons on the navigation pane. So let's go back to pages. Then you may find out the Copilot already on the right hand side of your screen. So here Power Page try to load the pages created by the template for you. So actually you may see there are several pages. Okay, subpage 1 and subpage 2. Okay, home page and contact us. So you do have 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. They are generated by Power Pages template. Okay, it takes time, so still loading. Okay, let's go back later. Let me click the sub page 1. Is that faster? No, it's still working. So let's go back to the slide. So as long as the page is showing up, then you may see there is a section that you may choose components for you to add into the section. Okay, so there are several components. For example, you have text, simply type text contents, and you have button, you have image, you can insert video, you can use gallery to display your information. You have phone to let your user input some data and etc. Okay, so let's see whether it's done. Not yet. Okay, yeah. Anyway, oh yeah, it's done. So actually you can simply say add a new section by click the plus sign here. So add a new section, then you may choose, say it's a 1 column section, or 2 column section, or 3 column section, and etc. So for example, if you choose 1 column, then here you may insert the components you choose to this section. Let me make it larger. No. However, yeah, it's kind of slow. Anyway, if you click the more here, then you may find more components you may choose for this section. So yeah, it make it bigger. Then you may see text, button, image, video, card gallery, phone, multi-step phone, etc. Okay, you may have more inside this So you have a lot of components you may choose for you to add inside this section. And you may also connect to the database to obtain data inside the database. So for example, you may create a new database table, just from the Power page. That's one way. Or you may simply edit the existing database tables. Okay, so just directly from the Power page. And you may also build the form or views on the database and directly from the Power page. Okay, so by using the Power page, actually you can simply access the data from the database. So there are two ways. One is form, the other is view. So you can display the list of records. You may display the individual records, and you may also create or edit form for records. Okay, so form is some components you may edit or create data. Certainly, you need to follow the role-based security. So if you are not the unauthorized user, then you may not access the database's data. So that is the way you to access the database data. Actually, you click the third icons on the navigation pane. You may find out the tables you may use. So click the data icon. Here you may find, say, right now you only have one table in this site called the feedback. However, you do have other tables provided by the database. So actually you can choose others. Okay, say if you want to use the account's data, then simply choose this table. Okay, and according to this table, actually you may find out the views. Okay, a lot of views, right? Account, associate view, account, barcode, operation view, etc. And phones. So for those available phones, account for interactive experience information, etc. Okay, so they are built inside the date of birth, you may choose for the Power Page to display or edit on your website. Depend on the security rule you have. So I already demo how to create a Power Page site, and I don't want to show the detail. So you may simply follow the labs if you want to do some practice. Inside the setup workspace, actually you may set some different things. For example, site detail. So at this site detail, you just provide some detail information for you. For example, some security configuration, etc. Okay, and you may set the go live checklist. Okay, step by step. You may see the site performance. You may do some integrations with other services. For example, you may integrate with Power Platform. Power Automate, Cloudflow, or some external apps. Certainly, you may use Copilot to configure Copilot, okay, to assist your users. So for the setup icon, you can simply click it. Then there are a lot of detailed informations. Okay, so you have site detail, go live checklist. Okay, you have site performance. Okay, etc. For the site security, actually you can run some deep scan. Okay, so the deep scan will scan your site for some not good, for example, something not good inside your some virus or some errors on your website. Okay, some vulnerability. And you may also protect your website. So you may provide different tool to control the web roles or web permissions or table permissions or web application firewall. You may also manage your website by some identity provider or site visibility. So if you click the security icon, then you may find out the scan not wrong. Okay, so you may run scan and run deep scan. Continue. So this is a new features. Okay, so right now it's only preview. However, you may use it, and they may change later on. Okay, since it's only on the preview. So here is running the scan. anyway, you may find some way to protect the web roles, okay, and page permission, and table permission, and web application firewalls, okay. So there are some way to manage the identity provider, okay. So, and site visibility and advanced settings here. So if you want, just follow the labs provided by the GitHub step by step, then you may more confidence with using the Power Pages. Okay. Let's skip the knowledge check. So inside this module, actually, we export some business values for Power Pages, and we also look at the Power Page Designer to see what's inside the Power Page, and we demo a very simple way to build a website. Okay, that's for this learning path.